As a subscriber, you can import your own contact list into Salesgenie. This helps you avoid working with people you already know and makes it easier to discover new leads. Here's how to do it. Start by getting your file ready. CSV or Excel works best. Make sure it includes contact names, phone numbers, addresses, emails, and company name if a business list. Within Salesgenie, choose the business or consumer database depending on the type of list you're importing. Select Import towards the top right corner. Select the type of contact you're importing. Choose Customers for existing clients. Choose Prospects for leads you're still working. Upload your file and match the columns to the correct fields. Green fields are auto-matched. Orange fields need manual selection. If a field doesn't apply, choose Do Not Map. Once everything's mapped, click Finish Import. Salesgenie will process your file and save it as a new search. You can now work the list within Salesgenie, export it with the added and updated fields, or suppress it from future searches. Salesgenie helps you stay organized and focused. Import your contacts the smart way to save time and streamline your outreach.